Breaking news, Canva's Droptober is here. Let's go straight over to my screen and take a look. I'm Kim from the Year graphic designer and a Canva ambassador. And when I looked this morning, Droptober hadn't arrived. I did have it on the Canva mobile app, but still didn't have it on my desktop. Now I do, so let's take a look. And I'm just going to go and click and see what happens when I say "you" on here. And it's just going through what some of the new launches are up here, which I'll go through in more detail. When I first opened this up, I noticed these three features now at the top of my page. Write my first draft, resize any design, and remove backgrounds. Now, some of these are pro features. I will put a link to Canva Pro, so if you want to try it for 30 days, you can, and have a play with all of these features. But let's click on here and see the latest launches. And you can see from here that it's first thing that comes up, try Magic Write with a supercharged Magic Write, because it will now analyze your content to generate contextual text and iterate on it. Not the easiest of language, but I probably understand what they mean. Other new features now include go from brainstorm to action plan in no time on whiteboards. This is effortlessly brainstorm, sort, and summarize into actions with an AI-powered whiteboard, which obviously helps you sort your whiteboard out faster. Then make data less daunting with interactive charts. You can turn data into interactive, easy to understand visuals with new chart types. Master the art of animation with advanced effects. These are going to be new effects, which I think would be great fun. There's transform images into captivating visuals with smooth fades and dramatic reveals. And I'll do more videos on all of these individually, but I just wanted to go through it quickly first. Then this is the Pro feature, which is create high production videos with Artlist. Add the very best effects, music tracks, cinematic content, and more to your videos. You can do advanced videos though. Make your designs sing with popular music tracks, which is really useful to be able to access popular music tracks now as well. So that would be very exciting. Design with diversity, very important. Design for everyone to see with POC stocks, truly inclusive stock media library. An additional stock media library, only available as the Pro feature, but might be very useful if you want to make sure that you actually are meeting the diversity criteria you want. And this one I thought looked exciting. Meet the Small Business Work Kit. Everything you need for your everyday tasks and year-round essentials covered. Now I'll go have a look at this in a second, but they also have a student work kit and a teacher's work kit. So teaching essentials all packaged up, provide templates, tips, and tools. That's teacher's work kit, and for students, everything you need to graduate and kick off your job hunting journey. If you carry on down, they also have a Disney collection, which could be really fun. I'm going to open that in a new tab. Let's see what they've got. There's lots of fantastic templates featuring Disney, which you can imagine will be really useful. So there's 70 items of Mickey and Friends, 67 with Frozen, Disney Princess, always classic for children. And then all items as you go down. There's some really nice templates here that you can adapt for your business. These are fantastic. And Disney is just so popular. Let's go back to what's new. And then they go to features by different areas. On docs, they've got your supercharged writing. On visual docs, you can add more media, design banners, columns, charts, and highlights to your documents. Artlist, and some of the ones we've looked at already. These are a repeat. I'm not going to go through all these now, but I will go through them at different times. There's lots of things there for you to take a look at and have a play. As I said, many of them are Pro features, so take a trial with Pro, and you'll be able to see whether they're going to be of benefit to you or not. I hope that helps, and I'll see you soon.